Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my fried rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have some all-purpose seasoning. I also have some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, scallion. I also have some soya sauce. I also have some scrambled egg. I also have some ham pieces, and I also have a day-old rice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add the onion, the scotch bonnet pepper, the bell pepper, and the scallion to a small amount of oil that I add to the pot that I'm going to prepare my fried rice in. Of course, you guys can go ahead and add butter if you have butter. But for me, I do not have any butter today, but I'm going to use whatever I have at home. And again, I have these items at home. I decided that I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to use whatever I have today to prepare an awesome and delicious meal for my family. So I'm going to go ahead and saute this for a minute or two. We don't want it to be too soft. So after a minute, it's time to go ahead and add the day-old rice. And I know most of you are gonna ask, can we use brown rice? Yes, you can use brown rice. As I always tell you guys, try to be creative. Try to be you in the kitchen. Use whatever you have at home, alright? So of course we're going to combine both the rice and the seasoning. Again, the seasoning consists of onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, bell peppers, and also a small amount of garlic. Of course, we went in and add the all-purpose seasoning and the parsley flakes, and we're also going to go in and add the soya sauce. Now, if you guys want your rice to be a little bit darker, you guys can go in and add some more soya sauce. All right, so for me, I wanted my rice a little bit darker, so I went in. I also added some more soya sauce, but I think it needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna go in and add some more soya sauce. And of course, once you add the soya sauce, you want to combine everything together, because you want all of that rice to be coated properly. And I will also go in and add the now if you guys want to go in and add some more meat, that is okay. You can always do that. So once I added the I want to just leave it for a minute or two, then I'll come back and add the scrambled eggs. So now it's time to go ahead and add the scrambled eggs. And basically we're finished, but for me, once I added all of the ingredients, I love to just leave it for a minute on low heat, and then I will just serve it up and show you guys the final product. All right, so basically we are finished. So in a minute I will show you guys the final product of my ham fried rice. So guys, this is the final product of my ham fried rice. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.